Alright guys, we're on our way to Okoboji and Arnold's Park. But first, I want to show you this. Good dinosaur.
It's a Sinclair Dinosaur.
Can I sit on it?
Yes.
I'm just joking. I can get on very easily.
Okay. We're at the Bay Bridges Indoor Water Park here at Okoboji.
Oh, it's even the wrong side. It does have eyeballs.
Let's see it. And that's a... Oh. It's pretty fun here. They've got this really cool indoor slide. The tube goes outside. Do you like that? They have the straight water slides outside. Robbie, are you enjoying this indoor water park? Pretty fun. Over here we have this little children's area. It was kind of cold though, wasn't it? I think it still is. Still ice cold. Yeah, they have the bucket that
Where'd you put it?
They have a cool little pirate ship. They have they have a hot tub in here. They have the lily pads you can jump on. They have a lazy river over there. You can see it. It goes from 3 feet to 2 feet, back to 3 feet.
Those stamps, those go up slide tubes.
And the tubes come out over there, don't they? Pirate ship in the cold water. Oh, fell in. I've got this really large slide. Going down it.
Don't go down like this. Like this.
How is it?
It's fun.
That is nice. Children under 12, not allowed. Hey, going down? He's going to be coming out this small body tube. Whoop. There he is. You like this one? Dinosaur. How'd you like it?
Terrific. Loved it.
What'd you like? The jumping pads, the speed slides, the tube slides.
And not all.
All good, huh? Yeah, it's a pretty fun place. Would you recommend it? Okay.
Robbie, well, hello, Okoboji.
Lake Okoboji. in
Lake Okoboji.
Northwest
Lake
Iowa.
Okoboji. Lake Okoboji. Whatever.
We're gonna try the lake.
Yes.
We were
Come
just
in.
at the indoor-outdoor water park. We're gonna try the lake now. Here it is. Run? I don't think I'm gonna run.
No, just go down there and tell me.
City of Arnold's Park Public Beach. That's cold.
It's not that bad.
Get playing.
I'm getting my butt stuck in quicksand.
Whoa, look how high the water is.
Like super high.
Yeah. Well, you're just gonna get right in, huh?
The divers.
Good dive. Oh, it's a lovely day for a sandcastle or a hole. The dock has finally cleared. We're gonna run and leap off of it, right?
Why is the water a darker color though?
The bottom is brown. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, it's slippery. Always gotta remember that. Try and hit the buoy.
Oh, you hit it.
I hit it right on the target. I don't know.
Right there, then?
Just don't jump in like right. Don't jump in from here.
It's snowing again.
Jump in like right here.
It's snowing in July, Robbie.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? You gonna watch me or not?
Watch it.
1, 2, 3, bye. Oh, it's cold. It's cold, but it feels good.
And that was Lake Okoboji. Can you imagine being locked in like this? Yeah.
What is it?
It's a jail cell.
Where are we?
Okoboji.
It's an old jail in Okoboji. Now go on in there, prisoner. That's really neat.